Ever seen that where a dog digs a hole at the doorway and makes a nice little carpet mess? We're going to fix that today. You're going to cut it out and get a piece, take what piece we don't use and tape that in to replace whatever we take out of the closet, and then put in a new patch that goes the same lay of the carpet and try and match it as close as we can. That's with the tape in it. Oh man, my hands are trembling there.
Yeah.
This is what we're doing, cutting a piece to fit in from the closet. We got to go back and patch the closet mess we just made, but we just trim and refit, and pretty soon we end up with a matched piece, and we'll show you that here in a minute. This is the tape that's laid already, inserted underneath the patch. Here's just, instead of the doggy chews, now at least we got that a little better.